Imagine if you could earn money for every ad that appeared while you were watching videos instead of feeling annoyed and waiting for the skip ad button. How about getting paid for your time instead? Well, there's a secret method that allows you to earn money every time you watch an ad. The best part is that you can do this from the comfort of your own home, anywhere in the world, and it's completely free. Even if you're a beginner, you can participate in this opportunity. Welcome back to Everything You Know. Before I show you exactly how to earn $7.44 for every ad you watch, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this. Now, let's dive into the details. If you follow the steps I'm about to reveal, you can achieve similar results. So, make sure to watch the entire video and not skip any steps. The 3 steps to earning $7.44 every 30 seconds for watching ads are as follows. Step 1. I'll reveal the top platform that pays people to watch ads. Step 2. I'll show you how to earn from others watching ads as well. Now, let's get started. The platform you'll be using is called Swagbucks. It's a rewards platform that pays you for watching ads. To begin, navigate to the Discover tab and select Discover Home. From there, click on AdSense Media, which is the specific offer that shows you ads and pays you for clicking on them. You'll find various genres of videos to watch, such as music, tutorials, gaming, and more. Instead of watching videos without earning anything, you can watch them on Swagbucks and get paid in Swagbucks, which can be redeemed as Amazon, Walmart, Visa, PayPal, crypto, or Apple gift cards. You can watch as many videos as you like and earn rewards. Simply press Start Earning, and the video will pop up. You can continue scrolling down to find more videos and ads. By clicking Load More Offers, you'll have access to endless amounts of ads. Now, how can you earn even more by getting others to watch these ads? Swagbucks has a referral system that allows you to earn from other people watching ads. To leverage this system, go to the More tab and click on Refer and Earn. Here, you'll get a 300 Swagbucks bonus and earn 10% of your referral's lifetime earnings. For example, if your referral earns $100, you'll earn $10. To get people to click on your referral link, you can utilize platforms like Facebook. Search for groups related to making money online, work-from-home opportunities, and similar topics. Join these groups and start posting your referral link. Make sure to post consistently for 7 days, and you could potentially have around 1,000 people clicking your link, signing up, and earning money through their referrals. By using a Facebook group, you can reach a significant number of potential referrals. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more tutorials and take care.